Okay, BA64.
What the question? Bantima boy, you is a BA.
If I'm sure my man shot there, TV no so why? That's all shot there.
Yeah. The last time we call, a grandma, ma'am, we told video and
Baby, I'm Moshe, baby, honorable, at now, Kumasi Crodium here. Baby, I'm a papa. And in a time, I shall see free a single room. A diam Moshe. Aha, if you wait,
window, right side.
Esro.
Yeah.
Aha. To HON and none in it.
Yeah, no, but that's so. If you know, Esro near roof, Tinia or rooftop, HON from Manfa.
To HON and I'm with the mattress got to Esro Hono. Aha. A catch, send a catcher.
In the first lesson, and he said,
SOMPA 3.1.
So we are seeing now one fawchi, and ya nipebia. Uwa, which I basa. Because yetirono, no kurenina, papa no near. But okusi, a dime for fro, ewo, made by Craychem, Otra Bantima Presbya. Filling station you left. I see one who could see the new house. And what the way a man offer us for. Even him why they were not able to take care of it. I think say my catch me brother did that say on your estimate ran at least been painting home. But we knew why I'm farmer. But a humble beginning.
Yes.
Where I was. Na ohwe ni say a ehye nkunan e ma nipa bia say regardless of baby a wo fi bia no wo yiro ho a abrabo no ubetumi abaye odefo ena regardless of baby a wo fi wo anyire wo ho nso na da bia wo pese obi na emehwe wo a say bi na be hu
o hwa ni muso obi na nhwe wo a
yeah. Siana be huno. Mena baby ama me ni gina no.
Ana maame we na odin se kire wo dan no.
Ai, baby o gina no.
Ai.
E hona we go we abofra, me enya kwan nware baatu. Hono, inti abontin.
Do adware abontin da.
Oh yeah, why not? Baby o na hona na me dware. Wo dware na amanfo a e ko toilet. Say ifie ni opposite na public toilet. Oh. The whole Bantima if you
any toilet, no, any one,
any one will be our. I mean, Baba Bontini, you know,
my goodness. Ha! A humble beginning indeed.
Yes. You know.
If you tell somebody this is where you started, Nipano.
Yeah, onion.
At least, and I mean, I like this one. Say, at least it tells anybody. Say, so who then there are mansions are. You didn't start from a mansion.
Yeah, and then about 200. Yeah, me fee about 200.
Ufie bro say
200.
200 houses, not just 4 bedrooms. Big
quite good. 4 bedrooms. Now, my new house in Kwana, missing 53 bedrooms. I will tell you.
53.
Yeah. Committee 11, 53 bedrooms. Dumping 40.
I send dumping, baby. I will free.
Right. 40. Kumasi will be scattered all over the place. As we buy Misada Hotel.
Dentra.
Oh, Yamina.
The pastor said, Dentina, Oba, you prefer to be at a quiet place. I remember one day, I'm saying, a check pa, maybe out China, you were at Chariset. Maybe who were making us, ade bani oni fie wo ha na nipa kro ka me ho ka chem say fie bi wo akire ho no ma e fra say la meta akire ho no ma
no kure ne ho de na nyame de
okay
fie ne de nyame de my girlfriend and a kohai ho
okay
nti ho de na nyame de
na de na ya wo ka no kresa
na de nti na onisa because ye obi e hwew nti me di trope obi be for correct na agumanu ase. Why would I claim for it if it's not mine? Exactly opposite Otum for
yes
wife.
Yes.
Anya me fear. Anya me girlfriend in Sofia or Corrente.
And somebody will not say this truth. Dear Nema Kanokre, honorable.
Obanyini, o Kanokura be one Kanokura be ndi Kanokre. And it will set you free. You see, man Kanokura me embarrass me. Obi ba beba be chiro. O buy now, o di picture chirem. O there be minim ho. Obi wa many are from Kwamena. And the Kwamena who Tibantma efia na ti wusu nim ho. You know, because what you want nipa bi so ti ho. Nipa nimo. Nti ene se nyame ayi wadom na wa free mu a. Na wo dan wa chia ma se nye wonam. No. I'm proud. You see, I have to associate myself with this building. Na she obi nkunan se. Asitina bia wutimu no. Baby a wotie no. Wan kasa. Obo homodin a. Obetimi afiri mu akoye bibi kese a chensa. I stand for hope. The person Ghana ni bia hwe me na efie ya wo show e just say obi a no oti efie semu edware abonten enne ono no oba Ghana fo ase wo madaji ebegina ha etwen no eno hye obi nkunan but sameba na me be forget about this, I don't even know, please obi begu animasi what do I say selfie no a very nice home inti some begin have a German say a part of me fear. If you're a annual program, he can phone in and says, oh, Honorable can wait there at the Braka. If he ain't there. So I have to tell you the truth. Maybe if you banners, even banners near to us 1, 2, 3 in media. Also, yeah, maybe I Otum for fear run about it. I want to miss him a new house. Oteni left is there. Oko odino ho kwadaso. Mienu ebom bakuni. Oba amekom baby am more you ya nechi asafo anaza amekom whatever you go. I have houses scattered all over the place. But Makoto apartment and bar na my bedroom here until I finish the new house. Also, me person me here can Japan go bokro no. And your fast life, I have built my capital over the years. And businessmen coming to why businessmen if he say met me a human and I'm part of them and I know the problems that they are going through. In fact, now my yes have been come with but Odia Bay Mamin come. Yeah, it's so sad. Ghana, Yamobo, I will hope. That is why everybody listening to me should vote for me. MPP for more mistake. Let's change this. What do you mean? And now I'm no say Ghana revenue for last week. And mommy letter. Freya so more office be war standard authority building fish where they're from near standard authority yeah shippers authority
Ghana shippers
building and no more from when you letter you call your coffee letter you call ya steel plant amisia meanwhile, about 65% complete, you know. Ghana revenue, actually, my letter said they want to go and audit me. They do nyame and then they went there.
Audit you.
Yes.
Yes, still
Yes.
you are. Yes, no TV. So.
Yes. Where are you? Yeah.
Omo audit today.
I don't know what they're going to do because me a Ghanaian. Me a Ghanaian, I'm a businessman. Omo ntia sia kura se Ghanaian wo adwene sei. E bia dwuma emma ni nua Ghanaian nya bia. Enne 10 o'clock. Enipa miensa from Ghana Revenue Authority. E ko de ticket na Japan. Omo akọ onu mo ni ewu. What you say? Sa ahoya no. Emma Ghana for businesses and koso. That is what I stand for. We have to promote Ghanaian businesses. We have to encourage Ghanaians to make money and expand their businesses.